Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the LEDGER Nano S Plus crypto wallet, crypto cold wallet. I've already unboxed LEDGER Nano X on the channel, so let's now do it with the Nano S Plus. You can see it's in some sort of foil, and let's just open it up. I'm gonna use a knife for it, of course. Okay, this comes attached to the foil as well as on the box. It's like the same exact thing for some reason. Now let's open that. I'm just gonna take this paper cover off. And let's open it. Now we get the device, of course. It has this like transparent plastic, sort of like the 2000s vibe. I really like it, honestly. The USB-C port, then a recovery sheet. I'm gonna see if it's empty. It has to be empty, but I just need to make extra sure, you know. And as I open it, yes, you can enter your seed phrase in there, and it is very, very confidential and should not be shared with anyone, shouldn't be stored on any digital devices, and shouldn't be opened, like the sheet shouldn't be opened in front of any cameras. Now here we have some start guides and stuff like that, I believe. Yeah, there are like a few things. Yeah, that's cool. And underneath we also get this box, and I believe there'll just be a cable. No, there's also this this strap, which I think like you can attach, but I don't really know how. If you can attach it through this hole, or maybe there's a better method for that. I have no idea. But yeah, there's a hole, and on the previous device that I've unboxed, the Nano X, there was no hole, so I don't know how to attach it honestly there. Now there's also the USB-A to USB-C cable, and that's basically it about this device. There will be videos on the channel on how to use this device. Some questions will be answered, some setup things, and possibly some transfers between the hot wallet and the cold wallet. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.